Hello everybody, I'm Sampos Chaki. I'm the founder of Cambodian Image, and today I have been here since the morning and I'm driving from Phnom Penh. This area, it's called Romantic Waterfall Cafe, where it's located in the Karirum National Park, and you can see the beautiful of the natures, and I would like to recommend to tourists all around Cambodia and all around the world. And this is the beautiful place where you can relax, enjoy with the beautiful of natures. At my background you can see the beautiful of mountains, rice fields, flowers, and of course the fresh air in the countryside. So if you would like to come to Cambodia, I recommend this is the best place. You have a interesting choice with me, and I can take a beautiful image, and then we can discover Cambodia together. So please welcome to Cambodia. If you would like to know more about my job as a tour guide, go to www.cambodianimage.com, or you can send me an email to cambodiaimage.info@gmail.com. Okay, welcome to Cambodia. Okay, bye bye.